So today or tonight I'm getting back on the C1 loop going clockwise. This time it's night. I don't remember. I think this was like almost 9 or 10 p.m. So it's going to be a drive around the loop at night, just to see the lights, etc. You know, the interesting part about this highway was actually the oldest one from this multitude of highways that comprise the Tokyo metropolitan expressways, the Shuto. It was built in 1967 in time for, I believe, the Tokyo Olympics back then. So this thing is really, really old, but obviously kept up. I mean, it's just beautiful surface. But you can see that it's, in the middle of the city. Everything is just close. You have interesting little tunnels. The speed limit is actually 60 kilometers per hour, which, it's slow. It is slow, but then again, it is the speed limit. I mean, you can maybe go a little over speed limit, and as you can see, and you will see throughout this videos, people are going actually much faster. Well, not much faster. I mean, there's a lot of corners here. You're not gonna get in traffic super fast, but I guess people go up to 80, 85. I mean, to tell you the truth, driving, in accordance with the speed limit, actually, I felt sometimes totally unsafe. I mean, you're getting trucks coming out at you at 80 kilometers per hour, and here you are, bouncing along at 60, 65, 70. So it does get a little irritating. And of course, having a car with 405 horsepower that just is inching to just jump ahead and just go. You don't want to just release this horsepower on this here, but hey, we're doing it legally within the speed limit. So for now, enjoy the view. It is interesting. You're wondering what that beep is. If you notice on the screen left, every so often the highway system pops up, and it actually from navigation and tells you, if there's any backups, any traffic, etc. This time obviously is showing you nothing. But again, look at guys and girls out there. This is just a dreamlike scape. I mean, you have lights. It's just amazing to drive here. First of all, I love driving. It's just relaxing at any speed actually, and this is just so much fun here. Just looking at the different cars everywhere, at the buildings, etc. Here are coming. This whole thing started at kind of the top right, the northeast corner of this kind of spherical C1 inner loop, and I'm just got to the bottom, so I'm at the kind of southeast corner and turning right now into the kind of the bottom part of this of the C1 loop. So here in a few minutes, well, not few minutes, probably just 1 minute or so, on the right side you can actually see the Tokyo Tower. But interestingly enough, and I didn't know that, on this drive it was actually, there was no lights. So I don't know, sometimes I guess they turn off the lights. I thought on a Saturday at 8:30, as this drive is happening, you would actually be seeing it. But see this kind of empty space on the right, the darkness there, somewhere in there is the tower, but it's actually not lit up. So there you go. And see, told you so. Trucks passing me, huge. Look at this thing. This thing is long. and big, and it's going like, what are we doing, about 60, right? So this thing passed me at 70, 75, and is going well, right? All right, let's see what happens, what kind of adventures happen next on this drive. Going on here. There's plenty of exits on this highway, obviously, and this really has, it circles the core of Tokyo downtown, right? And then it has kind of radiating roads leading to all the kind of main spots. Coming up here is going to be the offshoot that goes to Shibuya. Obviously, I'm sure you guys heard of Shibuya. The one at the corner on the one where I turned, right? So at the southwest corner, that was the Meguro line going to Meguro, etc. And there's a few more. So let's see what's happening here. What you also notice sometimes is Japanese like white cars. And there's plenty of white cars. You see other colors too, but frankly, white color in cars has actually grown on me, although obviously I've chosen a black obsidian 400R, which actually looks pretty damn good. But the white version of it, 400R, actually, I think for me, actually is a very good looking car. You have a very nice coal, not a warm white, it's a coal white. And with the black accents all over the place, the wheels, etc., and then the red lettering and the red brake calipers, I think really offsets nice. It's a nice combination in reality.
Program start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
here we are. Now we're in the northwest corner, doing a turn right, and now we're gonna follow the kind of the northern part of the C1 inner circular route. Getting out of that tunnel. That was I think that's the longest tunnel on this route. There's plenty of them, but that was the longest one. And now we're heading east. We are slowly coming to actually the final corner, basically where I got on this highway, the northeast corner, and this will soon complete the loop. There you go. I'm just merging right into the ramp that leads back into the loop. So, you know, if you want to enjoy driving, you can just go in circles forever here until you run out of gas, because nope, there are no gas stations or service stations here on here, and the parking areas don't have them either, so you'd have to go really far to find one, or maybe there is one that I don't know, but nothing in the vicinity. So there you go, you're coming in. If you notice, I came from the left side, so this is on the left side when you see the car. So, you know, thank you for watching, and you know, please subscribe, and I'll see you again.